How to remove Shopify store from Zendrop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can remove your Shopify store from your Zendrop account. Doing this is actually very easy and you're going to do it in your Shopify store. So over here on your Shopify store, simply look at your apps, click on the arrow, click on apps and sales channel, settings, and look for Zendrop dropshipping and POD. Simply click on uninstall over here, click on uninstall, and if you uninstall it, it will automatically disconnect your Zendrop and Shopify together. And then what you can do now is that you could open another Shopify store if you want to connect it with. You will be able to automatically connect it with your Zendrop as long as it's open on the same browser on the same account. Of course, the different account on Zendrop doesn't matter as long as the Shopify store is different. So basically it guys, if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.